How to create a Windows icon in Paint. Type Paint in search bar and click Paint. Click the View tab and then check the Gridlines box. Resize your canvas to an icon size. Draw your icon. Click File. Select Save As. Click Other Formats. Enter a file name with .ico extension. Click the Save As Type drop-down box. Click 256 color bitmap. Select a save location. Click Save your icon. While Paint can be used to create a basic icon, its transparency will be affected. This means that some colors won't show up in your icon. Thanks for watching video.